Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to search through all your open Chrome tabs. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is open, you'll want to have multiple tabs already active. If you don't have several tabs open yet, go ahead and open a few different websites or pages. This will help you see how useful this feature becomes when you're juggling multiple tabs at once. Now, direct your attention to the left side of your tabs area at the top of the browser window. You'll notice a small downward-facing arrow icon positioned just to the left of where your first tab begins. This arrow is the key to accessing Chrome's tab management feature, and it's especially helpful when you have numerous tabs open and need to quickly locate a specific one. Go ahead and click on that arrow icon. This action will immediately open a drop-down panel that displays all of your currently open tabs in a convenient list format. This panel doesn't just show your active tabs though, it also includes a section for recently closed tabs, which is incredibly useful if you accidentally closed something you still needed. Each tab in this list appears with its page title and favicon, making it easy to identify the page you're looking for at a glance. Now you can view and search through all your open Chrome tabs from this single organized location. Instead of clicking through each individual tab to find what you need, this centralized view lets you scan all your open pages quickly. If you have many tabs open, you can even use this panel to search for specific keywords or page titles, saving you valuable time when you're trying to locate a particular website or document among dozens of tabs. And that's it. You now know how to efficiently view and search through all your open Chrome tabs using Chrome's built-in tab management feature. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.